creating high-quality content is essential for attracting and retaining an audience. Here are some detailed tips for achieving this. Production value. 1. Invest in equipment. Camera. A high-definition camera, 1080p or 4K, ensures your videos are clear and professional. Options like DSLRs, mirrorless cameras, or high-end smartphones work well. Microphone. Clear audio is crucial. Invest in a good external microphone, such as a shotgun mic, lavalier mic, or USB condenser mic. Lighting. Good lighting can significantly improve video quality. Use softbox lights, ring lights, or natural light to ensure your subjects are well lit and your videos look professional. Stabilization. Use a tripod, gimbal, or other stabilization equipment to keep your shots steady and avoid shaky footage. Editing. 1. Professional software. Software options. Use professional editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve. These tools offer advanced features and flexibility for high-quality editing. Learning resources. Take advantage of online tutorials and courses to learn how to use your chosen software effectively. 2. Polish your videos. Cuts and transitions. Use clean cuts and smooth transitions to make your videos flow seamlessly. Color correction. Adjust the colors and lighting in post-production to ensure a consistent and appealing look. Audio quality. Enhance audio clarity with noise reduction tools and balance the audio levels. Graphics and effects. Add text overlays, animations, and effects to make your videos more engaging and visually appealing. Consistency. 1. Content calendar. Planning. Plan your content in advance. Use a content calendar to schedule your video ideas, filming dates, and upload dates. Regular uploads. Stick to a consistent upload schedule, e.g., weekly, bi-weekly. Consistency helps build anticipation and loyalty among your audience. 2. Engagement. Interaction. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and feedback. This builds a community around your content. Adaptation. Pay attention to what content resonates most with your audience and be willing to adapt your strategies based on their preferences and feedback. By focusing on these aspects, you can create high-quality, engaging content that stands out and keeps your audience coming back for more.